The one about 60 GHz is Vayyar's newest EVK for millimeter wave imaging. The kit includes the highly advanced Vayyar chip together on a board with 40 transceivers, that's 40 transmitters, 40 receivers, and embedded antennas, enabling you a very large field of view and high resolution. You actually get a full radar on a board with both high field of view and high resolution. You don't have to choose between them. So the idea of the EVK is actually to enable developers to go very quickly from idea to demonstration. It can be used across multiple industries. It can be used for retail, for smart home, for robotic, for medical. The possible applications are almost endless. It can be used for people tracking, people counting, posture detection, obstacle avoidance, or really any robotic navigation field. Can be used for anywhere you want to replace an ultrasonic sensor, really, or integrating it within systems using point cloud technology at the moment to enable you a new way to see the world. The kit includes the Wallabout 60 GHz sensor unit alongside the EVK engine, a software that runs on the host itself and performs the signal processing functions. It also includes the Web GUI, a user interface client software that communicates with the EVK engine via TCP/IP, enabling you to control remotely the device. The kit also includes the API client, your ability to write software that will communicate with the EVK engine via TCP/IP, thus creating your own demos and your own processing capabilities. The Wallabout 60 GHz is an RF millimeter wave imaging system, enabling you to see the world in 3D. Once you place it on a ceiling or on a wall, you can start getting the data from the device in two different ways. The first one is a voxel map, creating a 3D reflection map of the world around you, enabling you to detect targets, see them and track them. And the second one is more for raw signals. You can get the actual IQ signals and thus create your own processing algorithms on them. It does so obviously without the use of a camera, thus protecting the privacy of the users. That makes it ideal for privacy-sensitive locations. In addition, it doesn't depend on external lighting, means it can be used in conditions of fog, smoke, or even complete darkness. Vayyar's newest evaluation kit, the Wallabout 60 GHz, gives engineers and developers previously unheard of access to 3D RF imaging technology. It enables you to develop new applications, to unleash your creativity, and to see the world around you in a brand new way.